Durga's 12th question, Jaduna. Read 12th question.
Yes, sir. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6.
First 40 positive integers divisible by 6, children. He's asking sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6.
36.
Tell me the numbers divisible by 6. After 6, what will come?
12,
Then
18,
18 and so on.
36.
And so on. Not 36, 24 and so on. Okay.
Yes.
So he's asking sum of first 40 terms. What is the formula of Sn?
n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Come on, S40 I want.
40 by 2 into 6 plus 39d.
Okay.
20 into 12 plus 39 into 6.
Okay, come on.
20 plus 12 into 134.
Okay.
20 into 146. 20
Okay. 4920 is sum of 40 terms of series. 40 terms of series. Sum of 40 terms of series, children. Okay. Next question, children. Soumya, read 13th question.
Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8.
First 15 multiples of 8. First number is 8. What will be the second number?
16.
16. What will be the third number?
24.
And so on. What is the formula for Sn?
Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
So he's asking sum of 15 terms. How to do?
15 by 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8.
Okay. So how much?
15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 into 8.
Okay. How much?
15 by 2 into 16 plus 112.
How much?
15 by 2 is equals to into 128.
How much? 916.
960.
Is sum of 15 terms of 8. Multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Next. Sahasra is there? Sahasra?
Yes, sir.
Can you read 14th question?
Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50.
Between 0 and 50, what is the first odd number?
1, sir.
Second?
3.
Last?
49.
49. We know first term and last term. So between 0 and 50, how many terms will be there? Odd numbers will be? Odd numbers will be 25.
25.
Even numbers will
Even
be
numbers will be 25.
So directly we will use this formula. N by 2 into A
N
plus
by
N.
2 into a plus an.
A plus AN. Come on, tell me.
25 is 25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 1 plus 49.
How much?
25 by 2 into 50.
How much?
625, sir.
Is
Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50.
odd numbers between 0 and 50. Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay, next question, children. So next question, Aditya Gupta, can you read 15th question?
Yes, sir. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200, rupees 250, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 rupees, more than the preceding day. How much money will the contractor has to pay the penalty if he delays the work by 30 days?
If ever
SN equal to
anyone is delaying work by 30 days, how much penalty? First day 200, second day penalty 250, third day 300. If you delay work by 30 days, how much penalty he should pay?
50 per day.
Someone tell me.
N by 2a plus n minus 1d. So as 30 is equal to 30 by 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 into 50.
Okay.
15 is equal to 15 into 400 plus 1450.
29 into 50. Okay, so that will be how much?
So 400 plus 1450, 1450.
Okay, that will be how much?
1850.
Into how much?
27750.
277. So if ever anyone is delaying work by 30 days, how much penalty they should pay? 27750.
27,750.
Penalty for
30
30 days delay of work. If ever you delay work by 30 days, this much penalty you have to pay, children. Okay, so if ever you don't respond also, children, if I give this much penalty, definitely everyone will respond, I think. Okay, 16th question. So 16th question, who has to read 16th question? Sriket is there, Sriket?
Sir, yes. Sir,
Yes.
booklet, sir.
Okay, no problem. Next, Abhiram. Abhiram is there? Abhiram,
Yes,
16th question.
a sum of 700 is to be paid to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes.
So 7 students, they have to give 700 as cash prize. So the common difference is each are 20 rupees less, he said. 20 rupees less. So 20 rupees less of preceding month. So minus 20. Plus 20 or minus 20, your wish, children. However you want, you can take. So tell me how to find out Sn is equal to
10 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
700 should be given to 7 people.
7
First
by
prize we don't know. 7 minus 1. Common difference is minus
7
20.
minus 1 to minus 20.
This is 100. 100 into 2, 200.
200
2a 6
plus
minus
6
minus
into minus 120 minus
320
320 is equal to 2a. A is equal to 160.
160 is first prize. What will be the second prize?
140.
Third prize?
120.
Fourth prize?
100.
100. Fifth prize?
80.
80. Sixth prize?
60.
Seventh prize?
40.
So this total amounts to 700. Like this there. Children, if you take minus 20, your answer you will get first prize. No, sir, I will take plus 20 means you will get first to last prize. You will get, children. Your wish. However, you are comfortable, you can do, but you have to write down all the prizes list, children. First prize how much, last prize how much, sequence correctly you have to write. This is how we are going to do. Yes.
We take positive, we have to start from below, no sir, not from 700, no sir.
Yes, Nana. Yes, Nana. I am telling you, if you take positive, you will get last prize as A. A, you will get last prize. If you take minus 20, you will get first prize as 160. Your wish. However you want, you can take. But since he told each prizes are preceding 20 less than preceding, I took minus 20. 20 less than the preceding, I took minus 20. No problem, children. Next question. Who will read next question? Dasharad is there. Gracie, Jasmita. Jasmita, can you read 17th question?
Yes, sir. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant one tree, a section of class 2 will plant two trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students?
So total how many plants? 12 sections. So first class people are planting 3 children. Second class people are planting 6. And
6.
like that last 12 class people are planting 36 children.
36.
So there are 12 classes. Total how many trees they planted? We have first term and last term, maybe which formula you will use?
N by 2 into 2, A plus AN.
So 12 by 2 into first term is 3
3.
and last term is 36.
36.
So 6. How much? 6 into
6 into
39.
12.
So 234
34.
plants. They are planting. All children are planting 234 plants together because each class has 3 sections. Each class has 3 sections. Third class will plant 3, 3, 3 like that. Okay, children. So each class. So since we have first term and last term, directly I use this formula, children. No, sir, I want to use the SN formula. Means you can use that also, and you can find out, children. Absolutely no problem with it. Next, Sindhu, read 18th question.
Yes, sir. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and so on, as shown in figure 5.4. Figure 1 column.
See the figure, children. See the figure.
What What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles?
So children, so 13 consecutive semicircles are there, children. 13 consecutive semicircles are there. Semicircle, what is the formula, children? Full circle is 2 pi r. Semicircle is how much, children? Pi r. Perimeter of semicircle is how much, children? Pi r. So first circle radius is 0.5, that is pi into 0.5. Second circle is how much, children? Pi into 1. Third circle is how much, children? Pi into 1.5 and so on. Like that, 13 are there, children. 13 are there. Okay, so what is length of 13 semicircles? 13 semicircles, children. 13 semicircles he is asking. Length of 13 semicircles. What is the formula? Sindhu, what is the formula?
N by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
No. A is how much? A is how much?
Pi of 0.5.
0.5 pi and 13 minus 1. Common difference is how much? 1 minus 0.5? 0.5. Okay, so 13 by 2 into 0.5, 1 pi plus 12 into 0.5, 6 pi. That is 13 by 2 into 7 pi. So how much you will get? 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 by 7. 7 cancel, 11 3, 143 centimeters. Children, try to understand. 143 centimeters is length of 13 semicircles. Spirals of 13 semicircles. Children, semicircle pi r, full circle 2 pi r, semicircle pi r. So first one is 0.5 into pi. Second one is 1, so 1 into pi. Like that, I found that what I found, children, I found the length of 13 spirals, children, 13 spirals. Next. Kashish is there. Kashish, can you read 19th question?
Yes, sir. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 2 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row?
How many logs they are kept in n rows? Total 200 are there. So what is the formula? N by 2
Yes, sir.
into
2a plus n minus 1 into d.
n minus 1 into d. So how many logs are there totally?
200.
So n by 2 into, in first log how many? First row?
20.
20. And
Plus n minus 1 into
how much difference?
minus 1.
This will go here. So how much?
400 is equals to n into 40 plus minus n plus 1
Okay, 41.
minus n.
Okay, so 400 is equal to,
41n minus n square.
bring here.
N square minus 41n plus 400 is equals to 0.
What is the factors?
25 and 16n.
Okay, come on, tell me.
N minus 25 minus 16 into n minus 25 is equals to 0.
Okay.
N minus 25 into n minus 25, n minus 16 is equals to 0. N is 25 or 16.
N is 25 or 16. So which answer is correct? We have to check now. Which answer is correct? You have to check. Okay, substitute 25 and substitute 16 and check now. 1 second. Couple of you keep copying, children.
Sir, no need to say that. No, sir. We can say that we can't have more than 20 and so 25 can't be, sir.
What, Nana?
More than 20 we can't put, so we can say directly 16, no, sir.
Yes, no, but we have to show you the exam, no? I can't put more than 25. How can I say like that? Of course, 20 rows are there. 20, 19, 18. Okay, 20 rows are there. So more than 20 not possible. But I have to show you the exam, no? So sum of 16, how much, children? 16 by 2 into 20 plus 16 minus 1. Common difference 1. 8, 40, 15 minus 1. 8, 40 minus 15. 8 into how much, children? This is 25. So 200. So in 16 rows, they are stacked together. Like this, you have to show. So children, in 60 rows, because as he said, more than 20 rows are not possible. But children, you have to verify and show compulsory. Okay, children, next one. Vaishnavi is there. Jaydeep, can you read 20th question?
Yes, sir. In a potato race, a bucket is planted at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. And the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line.
Okay,
There are 10 potatoes in the line.
okay,
A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in. And she continues in the same way until all the potatoes in the bucket, all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run?
so children, one girl is there, she's going, she's going here, bringing and keeping. First time she ran 10 children. Again, she's running here one potato, 5 plus 3, 8 she's going, 8 she's coming children, 16. Again, she's going 5, 8, 3, 11 she's going, 11 she's coming back children, so 22. Okay, after that again children, how much she has to go? 5, 3, 8, 11, 14. 14 she is going, 14 she is coming, 28. Like that, 10 times she will do children. In this taking 10 potatoes, how much distance did she run? So Jaideep, 10 by 2 into 2a, 10 minus 1. Common difference is how much? Jaideep, common difference.
6, sir.
Come on, tell me how. 20 plus 9 6 are
54.
5 into 74. How much she ran? 370
70.
meters she ran totally in putting that 10 potatoes in the basket. Like this, we have to do. 10 potatoes totally, she is running 370 meters.